Now all this Morse code with the phonetic alphabets and Morse code has been given. You may be wondering why these phonetic alphabets are necessary. Some time back in the examination also, in the earlier those days, long back, they used to ask one question: why these phonetic alphabets are necessary? Why these phonetic alphabets are necessary to overcome language difficulty? If my name is Ramesh, if I simply tell Ramesh, maybe within our country one can easily understand my pronunciation. But if I am having communication with other countries like Russia, Moscow, the other person receiving my signal may not be able to understand my way of talking, accent. So if simply say Ramesh, he may not be able to understand. So that is why I have to give it in phonetics. Like Ramesh, Romeo, Alpha, Mike, Echo, Sierra, Hotel. Sometimes doubling, Romeo, Romeo, Alpha, Alpha, Mike, Mike, Echo, Echo, Sierra, Sierra, Hotel, Hotel. So if I say Romeo, Romeo means immediately the other person write like R. Alpha, Alpha means A. In the similar manner, Mike, Mike means M. Echo, Echo means E. Sierra, Sierra means S. Hotel, Hotel means H. All put together it becomes Ramesh. So in this way we can overcome the language difficulty, accent problem, because since the accent and way of talking is place to place is different. Within our country itself, within state itself, district to district and state to state, the way of pronunciation, accent is different. So West Bengal people pronounce in different manner, Andhra people pronounce in some other manner. So to overcome all this confusion, to overcome language difficulty, these phonetic alphabets necessary. That is the answer. So you have to mug up while learning this Morse code, all the phonetic alphabets. You should practice your name and place. That means your QTH location from where you are operating. You must be in a position to practice it in Morse code. So I am giving all the letters now. A for alpha, that is Dida. B for Bravo, Da, Did, Did, Dit. C for Charlie, Da, Di, Da, Dit. D for Delta, Da, Did, Dit. E for Echo, Dit. F for Foxtrot, Did, Da, Dit. G for Golf, Da, Da, Dit. H for Hotel, Did, Did, Dit. I for India, Did, It. J for Juliet, Dida, Da, Da. K for Kilo, Da, Dida. L for Lima, Dida, Did, It. M for Mike, Da, Da. So here A to M. At the next page I am going to moving to next page here. N for November, Da, Dit. O for Oscar, Da, Da, Da. P for Papa, Dida, Da, Dit. Q for Quebec, Da, Da, Dida. R for Romeo, Dida, Dit. S for Sierra, Did, Dit. T for Tango, Da. U for Uniform, Did, Da. V for Victor, Did, Da. W for Whiskey, Dida, Da. X for X-ray, Da, Did, Da. Y for Yankee, Da, Di, Da, Da. Z for Zulu, Da, Da, Did, It. Here the things you have to remember. I am going back to again the next phase, that is A to M. See here A it is okay, Dida. B it should be like this, dash plus 3 dits. We know very well how to pronounce S. S is Did, Dit. You have to reproduce the same sound here also, Da, Did, Dit. Dash Da plus 3 dits. And here D for Delta, Da plus dash plus 2 dits. We know how to pronounce I. I should be like Did, It. Here Da, Did, It. Here in this case Foxtrot, 2 dits are there. 2 dits are coming one after one. 2 dits, it's like Diddy. We know Diddy sound. You have to reproduce the same sound here is also Diddy, Da, Dit. Here H for Did, Did, Dit. H for Hotel. 4 dits. We know 4 dits you have to pronounce like Did, Dit. Did, Dit. I did it. See lima here, dida plus didit, the same sound I as like I, dida didit. Again going for next page, that's November, okay, Oscar, Papa, Quebec, Romeo, okay, Sierra we know, didit, didi, you know the sound didi, you have to reproduce the didi here in this place, two dits, didi plus dit, dididit. U, here is also uniform, two dits plus dash, we know how to pronounce two dits like didi, didi plus da, didi da. Here V, Victor, three dits put together produce like, it will give sound like dididi, dididi da. W for whiskey, dida da. X-ray, two dits like didi, da, didi da. Y for Yankee, da di da da. Z for Zulu, da da didit. You have to practice like this number of times, as many times, as many number as you can practice from A to Z, and reverse direction also, Z to A, write down what 20 times, 50 times, 100 times, 1000 times till you attain command on these letters. If somebody asks Quebec, you must be in a position to tell the answer, the code da da dida. Somebody asks Foxtrot, that is F, F means didi da dit. Somebody asks Zulu, that is Z, da da didit. If they use the alphabets, you must give the code, or otherwise in the reverse direction also you can try. If they ask the code, that is da di da dit. What is da di da dit? Charlie. What is didi da dit? Foxtrot. What is da da didit? Zulu. Like this you have to practice till you acquire full command on these letters, A to Z, Z to A, whichever manner you want, and try to do it again and again. And we are moving to the next practice. The numbers, that is numbers. 1, una 1, 2, besso 2, 3, terra 3, 4, carte 4, 5, panta 5, 6, soxi 6, 7, sette 7, 8, octo 8, 9, nova 9, 0, nada 0. Here the code, 5 characters are there. In this 5 characters are there. So it shall be pronounced like this: dida da da da. 2, didi da da da. 3, didi da da. 4, didi da. 5, didi dit. 6, da didi dit. 7, da da didi dit. 8, da 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 didit. 9, da 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 dit. 0, da 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 da. Here it's very simple to remember these numbers. Here 5 characters are there. The number 1 means 1 dit plus the remaining are dashes. So gradually dits are increasing, dashes are decreasing. 2 means 2 dits, dashes, and the following are dashes. 3 means 3 dits, dashes are increasing to 2 dits, 2 dashes. 4 means 4 dits. 5 means all 5 dits. Here in this, here from this in reverse way it starts like 6 means 1 dash, the remaining 4 are dits. 7 means 2 dashes, remaining are dits. 8 means 3 dashes and remaining are dits. 9 means 4 dashes and remaining are dits. 0 means all dashes. So easy to remember, but you have to start, you have to practice in systematic manner. So number 1 means dida da da da. 2, didi da da da. 3, dididi da da. The same sound dididi you have to produce here. Dididi. Here didi sound, here dididi, number 3. 4 means dididi. You should practice that sound dididi. Dididi da. You have to you have to pronounce 4 dits like dididi. Replace the sound The similar manner. Number 5, we already knows that did plus dit. 6, we know H sound, dit, da dit, 4 dits. 7, we know S sound, the same sound you have to reproduce, da dit. Of course, 8, you know that I sound, India, did sound, da did. Number 9, da dit. 0, da. You practice like this similar manner, but just you can understand very easily. After seeing this within 10 minutes of time, just you can grasp the form, even not even it may take 10 minutes of time to grasp how these numbers were formed. Very easy to practice these numbers, very easy to understand, but it may take some time to practice it in a systematic manner. I am going to punctuations. These 6 punctuations: full stop, semicolon, comma, question mark, hyphen, BT bar. BT bar means all this except BT bar, you know all these punctuations very well. That BT bar is a separation signal. Separation. Suppose if we are telling about our equipment, type of equipment we are using, if you give this sound BT bar means separation. The idea about equipment is over and you are switching over to your antenna and some other subject. The BT bar means separation. That you have to write like equal while you are mentioning this BT bar equals. BT on the top, I have forgotten to mention, you have to draw a line like that is called B plus T put together. There is no gap between letter B and T. It shall be sent like a single signal. Normally the gap between letter to letter is 3 dits. I will elaborate in the next chapter about these gappings. So here full stop, dida. So very easy to remember. Dida means you know that A. Again dida, again A, and again dida A. Like 3 A's, dida. Very easy to remember. This similar manner, semicolon, doddy, it. N bar. Bar means there is no gap. It shall be like sent like a single signal. Comma, da. Like da means M, didi means I, again da means M. So all put together, da. Question mark, didi means I, da means again M, didi means I. So you can remember like IMI. Hyphen, just you know the number 4, dida. T4 bar put together, it will give that sound, da. BT bar is nothing but B plus T. B means da, it. T means da. It is like a single signal, so da. Or otherwise simply you can remember like V, you know V is da. Da plus da, da. So you have to practice again and again these punctuations in this way till you acquire 100% confidence and command. 6 punctuations, and these are the points you have to remember while practicing Morse code. Dit is the basic unit, that is the basic unit. The shorter interval, dash or da is equivalent to 3 dits in time. 3 dits in time. The gap between character to character in a letter is equivalent to 1 dit. Gap between character to character. Suppose in a word, some letters will form a word. So here the gap between letter to letter. Suppose THE, D is there. Between T and H, 3 dits gap should be given, maintained. And the similar manner in a word, some letters will in the similar manner in a sentence, some words will form a sentence. The gap between word to word is 5 digits. Suppose it is a word, one word, and was is another word. So the gap between it and was is 5 digits. The gap between word to word in a sentence is 5 digits. So these are the points you have to remember in the Morse code. Another important signal is correction signal. This correction signal consists of 8 digits. We have to send 8 digits continuously. So to remember this correction signal, we can send 2 H's, that is HH bar. Continuously it shall be sent like a continuous signal. 2 H's put together we can send the signal. When we have to use this correction signal, whenever sending a passage, if you commit a mistake and immediately after noticing that we have committed a mistake, immediately we have to send this correction signal. Correction signal consists of 8 digits continuously. For example, here in this one word is there, exhibition. We are sending exhibition letter by letter. So we have come here B, EXHIB. On this letter we have committed a mistake. Immediately we have noticed that we have done a mistake. So immediately we have to send this 8 digits continuously. So remember, you have to start again from E, not from the letter B. There we have committed a mistake. So this is the procedure have to be followed. Even if we are sending, while sending the signal, if you commit a mistake at the last letter, that is N, EXHIBITION, you have to come from the starting letter E. That is the procedure. The entire letter will be cancelled and again you have to send from the starting letter of the word. This is the procedure. In the examination you must do it. You cannot bypass this procedure. Here I am going to give some tips how to read the English paper, any English paper, be it a Hindu paper or Deccan Chronicle or any sort of paper. Take any test, take and try to do it continuously without having any break, following giving proper gap between letter to letter and word to word. And some punctuations also may be there, like full stops and commas. You can add as per our syllabus. Here the word is currently comma, the vaccine is not available in the private sector. So I have to give word by word. Remember this thing, letter to letter is 3 digits gap, word to word is 5 digits. So here we have to practice like this. Currently, da di da dit, di di da dit, da dit da di da did, da di da da, comma, da di di da di di dit, di di da di da di da dit, da di da dit, did it, da dit, did it, did it, da dit, da dida, did it, did it, dida, did it, dida, da did it, dida, did it, did it, da did, da did it, did dida, da did, dida, did it, did it, dida, da did it, did da dida, did da dida, did dida. Like this you have to read the passage, big passages consisting of letters, punctuations, and or otherwise you can prepare a test of your choice, adding some numbers and punctuations as per our syllabus, you can prepare a test and then you can read it. The normal letters, normal passages, some letters may not come, some letters may be coming again and again repeatedly. You can make this passage with some tough letters so that you can practice very well. See, you can practice this Morse code even if you see some cinema posters, English cinema posters or boards, hoardings, shops. Whenever you are free, waiting for some bus or traveling in a bus, you can practice this Morse code continuously. Then it should become part and parcel of our day-to-day affair. Then easily you can learn this Morse code. And some people are there, and some people have become masters. Some people in 15 days, some people 10 days, weekdays time, like this. It all depends upon the person, varies from different person to person. You can also do it, but you must have strong desire to complete it. Many people wanted to become general grade operator, but some very few people. But if you are having a really committed mentality, committed, if you work hard, you can be very easily able to do it. It's very interesting. Learning Morse code is a pleasantable experience always, and so something you can enjoy. So you feel like something entertainment. You have to refresh your mind every time, so you will be able to do it. So that is why initially I told Morse code made easy. So thanks very much for listening to me patiently. Those who watched my video without giving any break, I would like to thank. If you are having any doubt, you can call me directly. My number 92483-46843 anytime in the daytime, that is 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. Anytime you can call me. I will certainly help you. If you are having any information with regard to getting ham radio license. And thanks very much. With this, I will say 73 code word for best wishes, and hope you like it, my video. And if you like it, please kindly press the bell icon and then subscribe my video channel. Once again, thanking you very much. Ramesh Babu, V2RDM signing off. 73. Bye.